Do you want to give people who fill out your contact forms on your website the option to join your mailing list by clicking one simple button? If so, this is the video for you. We're going to use the redirection for contact form 7 plugin to allow anyone filling out any form on your website the ability to join your mailing list really easily, and the setup couldn't be easier. Hi, I'm Bjorn, and let's get started. The first thing we need to do is install some plugins. The first two are free. The second one is premium to get the Mailchimp connection feature. So let's do the first two, the free ones. Let's go to plugins and then add new. Search for contact form 7. This is the plugin we want right here. 10 million plus active installs. It's one of the most popular plugins for WordPress. Definitely the most popular form builder. Click on install and then activate to install it and activate it. And that's all we do there for now. Next, we search for redirection for contact form 7. This is the one we want right here. Also lots of installs, not quite 10 million, but maybe there'll be 10 million in the future. Click on install now to install it, and then click activate. And the redirection for contact form 7 plugin is the one that's going to provide us with our post submission actions. But the Mailchimp Action is a premium one. So we have to get the premium version of the plugin by going to this page. There's a link in the description down below to get here. Click on Get Started right here. That's going to scroll you down to where you see your payment options. You'll need to get the business license or above because that's what has the Mailchimp integration. The starter license does not have the Mailchimp integration. And then once you have one of those, you'll log in to your ThemeIsle account. And it's going to show all the products you own from ThemeIsle. And you're going to have one added to this list right here. Redirection for contact form 7 extension, subscribe to Mailchimp. Click on download to download this to your hard drive. Then go back into your website, go back to plugins and then add plugin. Then click on upload plugin. You can drag and drop the plugin you just downloaded right into there, or you can click on choose file and find it on your hard drive. Click on install now when you're ready. Then click on activate plugin. And now we're ready to set up this automation to connect our contact form 7 to Mailchimp. So let's go to our contact form 7 forms. We have this one right here. I created a super basic form, and this is the default contact form 7 form that we're going to add to connect it to Mailchimp. The actions tab here is added by the redirection for contact form 7 plugin. Let's click on that, and then let's click add action, search for Mailchimp, click on Mailchimp. Now we can start building out our connection. The first thing we'll do is add a new title. I'm going to call it add to Mailchimp. And what we have to do is get the Mailchimp API key to form the connection. To do that, log into your Mailchimp account, go to your profile picture in the top right, click on profile, then under extras, click on API keys. That'll bring you to this page. Scroll down a little bit where it says your API keys and click on create a key. Let's give this a name. I'm going to call it CF7 integration. Then I'll click on generate key. Click on copy to clipboard to copy the key to your clipboard and paste it right into this field here. Now we can click on the Get Lists button right here, and that's going to connect to Mailchimp to get a list of all the lists in your Mailchimp account. Then you just have to choose which list to add people to. For this Mailchimp account, I only have one. You'd have a list of them here if you had multiple, and you just choose which one to add people to. Then for the subscriber's email tag field, we choose your email. For the acceptance tag, we'll have to add another field to our contact form, which we'll do in just a minute. For merge tags, you can add all the field information you have. So if you're collecting a registration form and all that data needs to go into Mailchimp, you can choose the appropriate fields here and they'll be added to your Mailchimp account. You can also enable double opt-in if you want. This just means that the visitor who fills out the form is going to be sent an email verifying that they want to be added to your Mailchimp account. For now, I'm going to leave all these settings as they are, then click on save. We're going to have to add the acceptance tag to our form. Let's click on the Form tab to go to our form. Right above the Submit button, I'm going to add the acceptance. I'm going to click on that. This is going to be an acceptance checkbox. And here I'm going to write, do you want to be added to our mailing list? Then I'll click on Insert Tag. Save the form again. Go back to Actions. Click on the pencil to edit. For the acceptance tag, choose Acceptance. The number that you see after acceptance dash is going to be different, so don't worry about that. It just needs to coincide with what's shown on your form as the ID for that field. And if you take it right from the drop down here, it's going to match no matter what. Click on Save. So now everyone who fills out this form is going to be added to your Mailchimp account if they check the box that says, I want to be part of your mailing list. Let's give it a try. Here's our contact form. Let's fill it out really quick. We have the form filled out here. And we have to check this box right here to make sure it adds us to the mailing list. This is the acceptance box. Click on Submit. It says here, our message has been sent. That's fantastic. Now let's go into my Mailchimp account to see if I've been added successfully to that as well. Go to Audience, and then Audience Dashboard. Go to View Contacts, and here we see the one we just created. So the connection works. It's super simple to set up, as you saw. If you want to add various post-submission actions to your Contact Form 7 form, check out the links in the description down below for the free version and the premium version of the Redirection for Contact Form 7 plugin. There's going to be something you like there, and your visitors are going to thank you. So click the links down below and give RCF 7 a try today.